So I think I put you down. Yeah, okay. So thank you very much for having us here. So I'm speaking from the University for Sustainable Development. The whole university is dedicated to sustainability with the different areas like economy, landscape using, and forestry and wood. Everything what you can do with wood. So we have different approaches, and the Sustainable Tourism Management Program is part of the sustainable economy. So, doesn't work. Yeah, now. So my name is Claudia Brözel. I'm the head of the master's program, and from my side, a warm welcome here. Quickly, what I'm going through, I would like to first ask you, why should you study this topic? So I think many areas are open if you study sustainable tourism management. So you can go in a management direction, in the science direction, consulting, but also into the industry. And the tourism industry is after the chemical industry, the biggest industry in the world. So you can travel a lot. You will also travel a lot in our program, or there are a lot of possibilities, but also you see that tourism has a very deep influence in a lot of countries. So it is a vulnerable industry, and therefore we think that we should work on the dark sides of tourism. And this is what we are doing here. We try to manage tourism in a sustainable way. And this means that we offer management skills in a different way. We work a lot scientifically, but also together with, let's say, a lot of guests from the industry, with case studies, with research projects, like my colleague before also said. We are using design thinking models. We have a critical thinking approach. So we invite people from the industry, but then we discuss also how we can, let's say, shape the future in a better way. This is from one of my courses where we work with real problems from the industry with a design thinking approach on a whole semester, on the idea the person is, or the destination or tour operator or technology company is coming with a problem, and we try to work with this problem with a design thinking aspect. So this is a possibility what we are doing. You can also create a little bit your individual profile, more in the direction of destination management or more tourism and nature conservation. Or for me, my background is economy, like internet economics or social tourism, social entrepreneurial design, or CSR management. So a little bit about the university. We are here located in Eberswalde. It's very close to Berlin. A lot of people live in Berlin and work here. Like me, for example, it's only 60 kilometers. It's very well known for its consistent implementation of sustainability since 2010. So the whole university, the infrastructure, everything, how it is managed is dedicated to sustainability. So this year we got the German Sustainability Award here. It's a small university. This is the same like my colleague before. We have very small student groups, so approachable lecturers, but also a very good network into the industry. If we look at the curriculum, so this is the first semester. You see, you have everything in green. This means these are all compulsory modules like tourism and environment, social and cultural dimensions, tourism economics, digital transformation and ethics, sustainable marketing management cases. We work a lot with cases. Destination management and data literacy. So we started last year to put up more data knowledge. So in the first semester, we start with data literacy. Where are data coming from? Where are they going to? How can we use them? How can we work in tourism with data? What kind of roles play data when it comes to decision making? How can we do graphs with data and things like that? Sorry. And in the second semester, we have the Applied Tourism Management project with the design thinking. I just showed some pictures. This is a very big module. It's over the complete semester. And then you have the compulsory modules like social entrepreneurship. If you go more into the entrepreneurial direction, but with a social aspect, so impact before profit, or you go more in a nature-based and protected area management direction, and the applied data science in tourism. This means we are working really applied with data from tourism background. And current topics means we have here an excursion, or we have, like this year, we had a research project together with our colleagues from Albania. We traveled to Albania, and the Albanians are coming here now. So we have in the end a big research conference. In the third semester, we have a transfer project or internship or a semester abroad. And again, current topics. These are something that it is said before, if something special is going on. In the fourth semester, the master thesis and a colloquium around the research methods and your exposé writing. These are our current partner universities with Italy, Sassari and Calgary, with the Balears, Mallorca, and with Tirana, University of Tirana. It is, if you look at the third semester, so you can go a semester abroad or you do the practical project. This is the overview of all the four semesters, and we have the possibility, if your bachelor degree is 210 ECTS, then you can apply for the second semester. We have also a part-time curriculum. This means you do the same program, but in 7 semesters than in 4. This is possible. You can apply for the part-time. Most of our students are working besides, so the part-time means you have half of the work. It takes a little bit longer, but you are in the same, let's say, surrounding the same modules, but you are studying step by step. This is also a very good option that we have. So this is our team. I am the director. Then we have Professor Martin Balázs. He is the one who is doing the sustainable destination management, accounting, certification, and I'm the professor for the economics, internet economics, social entrepreneurship, and marketing. And we have Erik Aschenbrand, Jens Müller. He is the one who is for the big data analysis, and Luis Miranda for data analysis and programming, and Erik Aschenbrand for biosphere reserve management and things like that. This is Birte Kanatz, is our coordinator. You can ask her any question you have in the end. And let's show me some career options. These are all alumni from us. So Isabel, head of communication at Alpenwelt. This is a destination, or Simon. He is a senior research at Outdoor Active. Or Robert, he's a consultant in accreditation. This is also interesting. He is flying around the world and accrediting tourism study programs. Or Franzi, he's a consultancy for in Teach-It. And she's working for association, tourism companies, and tour operators. Or David, he went more into the direction of technology, so senior customer success manager at SmartHost. Or here, Paul, he is administration of protected areas and environmental organizations. Or Jan, he did his PhD in the end. He's in politics and administration. So how are we organized? So this is for the winter term 25 September to the 22nd, genau, to 25. It starts and the lecture starts the 29th. So we have 1 week where it is the opening week, the introduction week, and the modules are taught in blocks. This means we have 2 weeks, one topic, and then in the end 3 days for preparing and then the examination. This is also very good if you have, for example, to work beside, then you have the 2 weeks, then the examination, and then it is done. Normally we have 9:30 to 3:15, and Wednesday we have languages in the afternoon. Our application phase is from March to September, or December to February. And the documents, you find everything also on our website. For the internationals, please use UniAssist. You must submit also the visa, the residence permit, or the proof of the required German language. At the moment, we require German and English, but if you apply and you have, for example, a tourism background and English at the German at the moment is not you have no B2, then we can do a single decision to bring you in. So we try to do everything also in the first semester at the moment in English. So if you have any questions, you can send a message at studieren@hnee or join us on our Instagram account. We inform you about what is